Today I'll be prepping the Plenum so we can paint it black. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to prep the surfaces so that they can be clean, free of any contaminants, and be able to spray paint it with high temperature engine spray paint. I'm looking for a matte black, just to make all the other features kind of shine out. So what we'll be using here is some simple green. This is a solution of just water and dish detergent soap, a Scotch-Brite pad, which is what you would use to kind of clean a grill, a barbecue grill, a plastic bristle brush just to get into all the nooks and crannies in here. All right, the masking tape will be once everything is degreased and dry. We'll prep some of these surfaces, for example, where the hoses go in there, the intakes, and also to cover and protect the mating surfaces, such as like this place here and back here, where the throttle body attaches, so that we don't, and over, no, actually we don't need anything over here, I guess. Well, maybe just in case it mates with something, but it doesn't seem like it's an intake or anything. Just maybe some instruments attached to it. Yeah, I remember now. Yeah. Either way, I'll be spray painting that one for sure. Just remember, take your time prepping the surface. The better the surface is prepped, the better the quality of the paint and the longer lasting it would be. Otherwise, you'll start, getting the paint to start chipping away. So, like I said, we're gonna prep the surface, we're gonna clean it first, and then we're gonna sand it down slightly with the Scotch-Brite. Remember to wear a mask. I got my filters here. You don't want to breathe in the particles. You don't want aluminum in your lungs. That is very hazardous. So please take the proper precautions and use a mask and the proper type of mask to protect your lungs, okay? As well as some eyewear is also suggested here. Okay, so let's get to it. I'll degrease this. I'll show you what it looks like after it's been degreased and cleaned up and ready to start prepping. So I prepped the Plenum. It's ready to go to get spray painted. I have the area ready to go as well. Here is the Rust-Oleum high heat ceramic paint. This will be spraying on today. All right. So as you can see, I covered all the ports, and I've cut down as close to the edge as possible, so when I'm spray painting, I can cover as much area as possible. So we'll see how it turns out. All right, we'll do the bottom side first. It's not that visible, so that'll give me a test run, and then we'll go with the rest. All right, we'll see how that goes. So before you start spray painting, one of the things that I highly suggest is rubbing down just the surface with alcohol. This is 91%. I got it at Walgreens. Normal rubbing alcohol is in the 70%. This is a lot better, but make sure you wear some gloves. And this will actually make sure that you use some lint-free towels, paper towels, and just, like I said, just rub down the surface. This will remove any impurities, anything that's still on the surface, and that will give you a better bond when you start spray painting. All right, so at this point I already did that. I'm gonna go ahead and start spray painting, and we'll look at the results. Here we go. This is the end result. Looks pretty nice, if I do say so myself. It actually makes some of the colors pop out. The actual metallic colors come out pretty good against the flat black. And it looks a lot, it doesn't look like the old part that was all scratched up and everything. So I'm pretty proud of myself. I hope you like it too. I hope you, if you decide to do so and paint in your own color, this is a nice way to go about it. So I went ahead and replaced the gaskets, and when I say gaskets, because I have two of them, because I have this bolt-on here part. You probably don't have it on yours, and that's okay. So there's a gasket here and here. The part number for that gasket is 61052. It's a Velcro I got it at AutoZone. You can get it at any auto parts store or online. So I think it just cost me like $3 or $4, so it's not bad. But there we go. So this is ready to be bolted on back onto the car itself. There we go. Hope you liked it.